Save Christmas. Santa Jack was getting ready for Christmas Eve. His sleigh was packed and the reindeer were excited. But suddenly, something terrible happened. Jack checked his sled bag and gasped. The list! Where's the list of all the children? He cried. Without the list, he couldn't deliver the right gift. Mason, the wise dad, saw Jack panicked. Calm down, Jack, Mason said gently. How can I calm down? Jack said. Jack took a deep breath and sat down. Mason handed him hot cocoa. We'll find another way, Mason said. Mason suddenly remembered something. Jack, you still have your magic star, don't you? He asked. It can help you grant every child's wish. Jack pulled the magic star out of his pocket. How can this little star help so many children? Jack wondered. Trust the star, Mason replied. Jack had an idea. I can tell all the children to make a wish to the star, he said. Mason nodded. That's a brilliant plan, Jack. Santa Jack used his magical sleigh to fly. Children, this Christmas is a little different, he said kindly. But I have a special plan for all of you. Jack continued. Look at the bright star in the sky tonight. Close your eyes and make a wish from your heart. The magic star will hear you and make your wish come true. David, a little boy, sat by his window. What if the star doesn't work? David worried. What if I wake up with nothing under the tree? Emma, David's best friend, sat nearby. Don't worry, David, Emma said calmly. She thought about how hard Santa was working. Let's give him a chance, she added with a smile. Noah, their other friend, joined the conversation. David might be right. What if it doesn't work? Noah asked nervously. Mason watched Santa pacing in the workshop. It's not just about magic, it's about belief, he reminded Jack. Santa nodded slowly. You're right, Mason. That night, David ran outside and stared at the sky. What if my wish doesn't come true? He whispered nervously. But he closed his eyes and made his wish anyway. The magic star sparkled brightly. It's working, Santa said. The star was granting wishes all over the world. David woke up the next morning and ran to the tree. A shiny red bicycle was waiting for him. It worked! The star really worked! Emma found a soft, warm blanket under her tree. Her name was embroidered on it. Santa is amazing, she said. She felt cozy and loved. Noah found a big box of colorful art supplies waiting for him. I can finally paint all my ideas, he said, grinning. He grabbed his brushes and got to work. The three friends met up later that day. Santa really pulled it off, David said, smiling. I told you we just needed to believe, Emma said. Next year I'm making my wish early. Noah laughed. Santa Jack and Mason said proudly. All the children's wishes came true. The magic star slowly dimmed as its work was done. Good job, little star, Santa whispered. The workshop felt warm and peaceful. Jack stood outside looking at the night sky. Christmas isn't just about gifts, he thought. It's about believing, hoping, and sharing joy. He smiled, feeling gratefully. The children around the world looked at the star. Even without the list, Santa Jack made his Christmas magical. And everyone learns that believing is the greatest gift of all. Merry Christmas to all, Santa whispered, and to all a good night.